Hey guys, Matty from Forby Sessions Australia. Thought I'd give you a little rundown of how to pull the center console out of a Np300. It's a 2017 model, this one. They're pretty much all the same inside. Only takes a couple of minutes, so let's check it out. Put the gear stick into neutral. Pull this down. There's a little clip at the back, like so. That'll come off. Don't lose that clip. So I've just got a little lever and stick it under the edge. Probably about here. Pop it up. Pop this side up as well. Like so. Pull it up and pull it back. Let it all pop out. There's two plugs here. Unplug them. Two, and there should be one more. Yeah, there we go. Three. So three little plugs, and the centerpiece is off. Pop it from the back like so, and then pull down at the front, and you're out. Anyway, hope that helps you guys out. I've got some wiring to unplug, but it's pretty simple and it all just clips back in. Just make sure you put your gear stick in properly and you'll be right. Anyway guys, I hope that helps you out. Have a good one.